bullish Lunc cost estimates range from $0 to $0.2030. Market analysts, omitting Lunc, predict a price of 0.25. The estimated market cost for Luncs in 2023 is $0. Excellent lunch presentation. Buyers and sellers face difficulties due to the extravagant value and stability of digital currency. For new and transient financial backers, the speed and frequency of changes within a short time frame can be concerning. The quest for a somewhat stable digital currency that reflects the value power of the fiat monetary market while retaining the security, speed, and convenience of digital currencies such as Bitcoin drove the development of Lunc. Lunc Exemplar was sent in 2008 and its blockchain was sent in 2019. The trustworthy currency, the innovation stage, blends the value dependability of government-issued currencies with the security aspects of Bitcoin, and it would transmit speedy and low-cost transactions via its volatile currency. The Lunc chain created stable monetary forms that were tied to the US dollar. The South Korean tubuk and other perceived monetary benchmarks include the South Korean tubuk and the Mongolian tubuk. What exactly is Lunc? An illustration of Lunc Luna is an example of a decentralized public blockchain convention. The Lunc Exemplary controlled the US Lunc's algorithmic stablecoin, which was sadly depeche and dubbed doomed due to unstable economic conditions caused and exacerbated by the 2022 crypto downturn in May, resulting in the fork of the Lunc Exemplary into two separate chains of the Lunc Exemplary. Luna's cost forecasting is excellent in the Lunc chain. CERTA assured that exhibiting a numerical thinking of the company is sound in 2019, not long after the Lunc outstanding in 2019. Despite the fact that Bitcoin is still trailing in terms of market, Lunc Exemplary will continue to advance its organization to promote the growth of decentralized applications. Lunc validation of stake agreement calculation abilities. This calculation is based on tendermint technology, which allows holders to stick their Lunc resources as insurance for a chance to approve exchanges on the Lunc organization and receive remunerates roughly equivalent to the value of their marked resources, despite the fact that they are still subject to U.S. natural disasters. Lunc exhibits dependable international payment arrangements with stablecoins innovation, which stakes cryptographic forms of money to government-issued forms of money with the price at a somewhat low level relative to the chain's worth and a little circling. There is no question that the Lunc benchmark will return to the top of the cryptocurrency market. Intriguingly, the outcome of ongoing investigations into the U.S. recession could postpone the chain's gigantic price decline or even its possibilities of a revival. On the other side, the investigation's findings could inspire massive growth. Exemplary Lunc is presently worth nothing. With a trading volume of 40,972,595, Lunc Exemplary is now ranked 64 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $721,952,604 USD. Using the above graph's overall strength record, moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, we may decide whether the future year will be bullish or bearish. Our cost expectation theories make use of continuous Lunc as an example. All market data and information is updated in real time on our website, allowing us to deliver dynamic cost forecasts depending on the current situation of the active land market. The Lunc price forecast for 2023 predicts a substantial increase in the year's last quarter, possibly reaching $0. Similarly to other digital currencies, the climb will be moderate, with no dramatic drops averaging $0. Despite the expensive price, it will be reached shortly due to planned combined efforts and progress. The default value for Lunc should be $0. Exemplary Lunc value expectation for 2024. Out of exemplary Lunc value expectation for 2024, because of the possibility of inflation, the Lunc cost expectation has a lot of potential for expansion. Given the announcements of numerous new organizations and initiatives, we believe that the cost of Lunc will soon approach $0. In any event, before putting any bullish trades, we should wait to observe if the Lunc's overall resilience escapes from the oversold zone. Taking market volatility into account, long wagers will have a base exchange rate of $0. The standard exchange rate is $0. If the market experience is a decay Lunc, the Lunc's example value prediction for 2025 might reach $0 if the vertical pattern remains until 2025. If Lunc exemplary successfully helps market opinion among cryptographic currency enthusiasts, the Lunc coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years and Lunc will be green in 2026. In 2026, the Lunc is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high. The virtual currency's value will be $0 in 2026, with a $0 base cost. The average cost is $0. Lunc exceptional value expectation: we expect that the Lunc cost will exceed a normal value of $0 in 2027 following broad determining and specialized inspection 2027 with zero base cost before the end of the year. Lunc also has a maximum value of $0. Lunc exceptional value expectation 2028 because it represents future organizations that are expected to exist by 2028. We expect a bullish pattern to continue to bring the average cost to around $0, and if Lunc manages to break the safe level in 2028, we may witness a maximum price of $0. Failure to garner the necessary support by 2028 could result in a $0 deficit. Exemplary value projection for Lunc 2029. Lunc excellent value forecast. While Lunc is working for interoperability between companies to speed collaboration, the beneficial trend from the previous year is expected to continue, thus the base exchange cost has been set at $0, a cost similar to $0 annually. It up marginally over the last 5 days, but the S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, dropping 0.2% and 1.1%, respectively. Any kind of mistrust in traditional financial systems plays into the hands of crypto, Rasmussen explained, adding, "I'm happy to see the correlation fall between traditional risk assets, traditional equities, and crypto." Joe DePasquale, CEO of crypto fund manager BitBull Capital, told CoinDesk in an email that the current macroeconomic situation around the world is creating a conducive environment for crypto assets to thrive. This week, DePasquale expects Bitcoin's price to remain stable between $25,000 and $27,000 before bouncing toward $30,000 again. "We don't believe the market requires a catalyst in the near term," he added. "It is only a matter of time before we see another major rally." What does Bitcoin's recent stablecoin supply ratio mean? The stablecoin supply ratio, SSR, has dropped by almost 11% in the last 11 days, signaling a possible increase in buying demand for Bitcoin. The metric, which compares the market capitalization of Bitcoin to the market capitalization of stablecoins, provides insight into the supply and demand dynamics between stablecoins, used as a vehicle to purchase cryptocurrencies, and BTC itself. A larger SSR suggests that purchasing power is dwindling, whilst a lower value indicates that purchasing power is expanding. The recent dip in SSR comes after a 52% surge between March and May 5. The pivot suggests that more cash or liquid reserves